Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung Galaxy mobile tutorial, and here I'll detail how to turn off security search in Samsung. So if you're using the Samsung Galaxy phone and now you want to turn off security search, maybe because you mistakenly use it when you don't want to or you don't know the main function of the security search, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable security search in Samsung, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, just want to scroll down the page until you get to display, then go ahead and click on display. Once you select display, locate navigation bar in the display page. Just keep scrolling until you get to navigation bar, then tap navigation bar. On the navigation bar page, you see security search. When you scroll down a bit, then here, if you have security search enabled, just go ahead and toggle off this button. Now once you toggle off that button, this is going to disable security search on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now when next you want to use security search, and then you press and hold the home button or the notification bar on your Samsung phone, you discover that the security search is no longer working. And that is basically how you can easily disable or turn off security search in Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.